2016 Forest River Blue Ridge 3715BH for sale in Prescott, Arizona 86302. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Forest River Blue Ridge 3715BH. This luxury fifth wheel is 40.7 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 9 guests. It has been outfitted with 5 slides outs, 3 awnings and 6 stabilizing jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2016 Forest River Blue Ridge 3715BH fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include 3-burner stove/oven, microwave/convection refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, fireplace, television, surround sound, DVD/CD/stereo, U-shaped sofa, glass enclosed shower/bathtub, toilet, sink, master queen size bed, master television, wardrobe, dresser, 336 single size bunk beds, top, bottom, Trundle, 136 single size drop-down bunk room, television, storage drawers, outside kitchen, solar panel, tinted windows, 5 blinds, replaced vent cover in bath, replaced 4 tire covers, purchased new handrail on main door, antenna, wire for TV, 2 water hoses, 2 hose connectors, 8 yellow square jack pads, 1 accordion hose holder, 9 wood blocks for jacks, yellow wheel chocks, and so much more. This 2016 Forest River Blue Ridge 3715BH is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible Forest River fifth wheel can be yours.